Hello, this is Charles Butler. This is part 5 of Becky's cargo trailer camper conversion. So what we did yesterday, within 3-4 days actually, we converted this camper, took all the flooring out and put vinyl flooring in. So this is kind of cool, really easy to lay down. This is what it looks like inside. It's very ready to be painted now. We sanded down and painted, and it's already striped. But I'm really pleased with the flooring here. I got this at Home Depot. It was like 40 bucks a case, and it took only like 6 cases to put it all in. But this will be the this is my flooring. It's all 100% waterproof, pet resistant, pet friendly, stain resistant. So it's pretty cool. Really easy to lay down and cut it all up nice and neat, all level. And then my back, that's what I did with here. I lay it this way, so when this door comes up, it'll look like a wall right here. So, but actually, since it's waterproof, I'm kind of cool with that because this will be my porch. So I'm gonna have stabilizers here, and this will be all leveled out when I bring it down. This will be my porch. I can come out here. I'll have a little tent here, and I can sit out there and relax a little bit. But it's almost done. Anyways, it's a short video. This is Charles Butler, part 5 of the 7x14 cargo trailer camper conversion. So a lot more work to do, but not so much. All right, guys, take care. God bless.